Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to give your photos a fresh look by removing unwanted backgrounds? With the right Bakcground Eraser app, you can easily transform your images and make your subjects stand out. Today, we're going to explore 3 of the best Bakcground Eraser apps available for Android that will help you achieve professional-looking results in no time. Let's get started. Bakcground Eraser, Remove BG. Bakcground Eraser, Remove BG is a powerful app designed to help users quickly and efficiently remove backgrounds from their photos. The app features a user-friendly interface that allows for precise editing with tools like Eraser, Lasso, and Auto Selection. Users can easily remove unwanted backgrounds by either manually erasing areas or using the auto mode for quick selections. Additionally, the app offers a zoom feature for detailed work, ensuring that users can achieve clean edges around their subjects. Once the background is removed, users can save their images with transparent backgrounds or choose a new background to add for a customized look. Bakcground Eraser App. Bakcground Eraser App is another highly effective tool for removing backgrounds from images. This app offers a straightforward interface that allows users to easily upload images and start the editing process. Users can choose from various tools, including the manual eraser, auto erase, and shape tools, to achieve their desired results. The app also provides options for undoing mistakes, making it easy to refine edits. One of the standout features of this app is the ability to save images in high resolution, ensuring that the quality of the photo is maintained. Whether you're preparing images for social media or creating graphics, the Bakcground Eraser app is a reliable choice for background removal. Magic Bakcground Eraser. Magic Bakcground Eraser is designed to make the background removal process as easy as possible. With its intuitive features, users can erase backgrounds automatically based on color detection, making it ideal for those looking for quick edits. The app also offers manual editing options for fine-tuning results, ensuring that users can clean up any remaining areas easily. Magic Bakcground Eraser allows users to save images with transparent backgrounds and provides options to add new backgrounds from a library or their own gallery. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of the best Bakcground Eraser apps helps you find the perfect tool to enhance your photo editing skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more app recommendations and tips. Have you tried any of these apps? Or do you have your favorite Bakcground Eraser? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy editing!